The inspection tour by the James Gakuya-led Committee on Trade set off at the Kenyan National Trading Corporation Limited, a state corporation in the Ministry of Trade and Industry that procured the 16.5 billion shillings cooking oil that is still lying in several godowns in the outskirts of Nairobi, which was supposed to give Kenyans a reprieve from the high cost of edible oil.
The Kenyan mwananchi stands to lose loads and loads and loads of billions in terms of the value they were supposed to get, because these products were imported duty-free for the purposes of stabilizing prices and giving the common mwananchi a lower cost of the edible oil.
If one has enjoyed a window of duty exemption and still can sell the same commodity at the level of other market price, it tells you then there's no business of having such exemption, because there is no value to that particular effect. Otherwise, Mkenya yule tungetaka apate faida hiyo ya kupunguziwa gharama, bado tumerudisha Mkenya pale pale juu.
According to the committee, over 1.6 million 20-litre jerricans are still being held because of several reasons that the committee found wanting.
The commodity has over 6 months. If there was a court order, even after the court order, the commodity is not moving. So we wanted to know, why is it taking that slow pace to pick to the market? We remember very well that at Dagoretti we launched what we call ATMs. Those ATMs are not forthcoming. They have not done any meaningful work.
The situation has now exposed Kenyans to yet another economic burden, as taxpayers will have to foot the bills emanating from the hold-up, considering that the oil was procured in dollars and the Kenyan shilling has continued to shrink in recent months.
Na KNTC itafaa ilipe deni. Hiyo deni hawajapata hiyo pesa bado. Na hiyo pesa ilichukuliwa kwa dola. So na dola tunajua kuwa bei shilingi ya dola inaendelea kwenda juu, tunaendelea kupoteza kama Kenya value ya shilingi ya dola. So by the time tumalize ama siku yenye tutamaliza, tunaona kuwa bei ama pesa yenye tutakuwa tumepoteza, kwanza tutakuwa bado tuko na bidhaa kwa store haijauzwa, so tunaenda kwa mifuko zetu, na hiyo mfuko itakuwa mfuko ya serikali kwenda kulipa KCB ama kulipa benki, na pili bei ya hiyo bidhaa itakuwa value imeenda chini kwa sababu ya dola yenye imeenda chini.
The committee has now ordered for further tests on the commodity that is suspected to have quality issues to ensure its safety before it is released to the market.
We need to do the tests so that those tests can give us assurance that the commodity is has started to move to the market, or it requires to be some mechanism. In case we realize that at least a big number of these jerricans have turned solid, then we need an answer from the KNTC and the ministry. They should guide us, because that particular oil may not fetch the market. What is going to be done? And in case there is a procedure that is going to be taken, probably reprocessing, then we need to know who will foot the cost. So those are the intricacies that we are doing.
Considering the payment period within which KNTC is supposed to pay off the financing institution expires in January, the committee says it will endeavor to ensure the tests are done within the next 2 weeks.
Karibu 152,000 imeuzwa, na tuko na milioni moja na kitu, milioni moja 600 jerricans zenye bado ziko za mafuta.
We cannot give it more than 2 weeks. Yes, because at least we need the commodity to move to the market, and we know what we've seen as a starting block to that particular exercise.
Philip Murutu, K24, Nairobi.